Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aaron Smith and I'm the owner of Ortho, Injury, and Wellness Center. We are located at the corner of Covington Highway and Panola Road, inside the Walmart Plaza just behind Bank of America. Our address is 6148 Covington Highway, Suite A, as in Apple, Lithonia, Georgia. I've been practicing at this location since 2001. We are a fully established chiropractic and wellness center. We treat all types of conditions, from auto accidents, work injuries, federal workman's comp, weight loss, athletic injuries, personal injuries, massage therapy, nutrition, wellness care, and massage therapy. We offer complimentary weight loss and wellness consultation. Our goal is to get you back to good health. So let Ortho Injury and Wellness Center be your solution.